Indian vlogger who has been detained in China. He's detained by China for saying Arunachal in India, which is a hard fact. It's a matter of fact and truth. China has denied food and water to the detained vlogger. China detained the Indian vlogger and perhaps starved him for 15 hours. That's the news right now. To rewind to our viewers right now, that's the Indian vlogger's face who was detained in China for 15 hours over his comments on Arunachal Pradesh. And for more on this, my colleague Aditya is now joining me live. Aditya, what do you make of this? Arunachal Pradesh is a part of India and will be a part of India. And this Indian vlogger detained in China for 15 hours in inhumane conditions.
Well, certainly, it's yet another story coming in from China where, of course, an Indian blogger has suffered at the hands of the Chinese authorities. What we know so far is this video that has been created by this Chinese blogger that clearly indicates that he was kept within the Chinese immigration for several hours, for more than 5 hours without food and water, and was harassed perhaps only because he had perhaps made a video saying that Arunachal Pradesh is a part of India. We are trying to contact this particular blogger and also seek more details, but as of now, through the video, it's clearly indicative of the fact that he was in China or passing through China, and the immigration stopped him for no good reason because his documentation was very much clear. And while he was passing through that particular immigration, he was stopped and kept inside a room with no food and water, and all his digital devices were taken away as well. So this raises questions also because just a few weeks ago there was a similar incident with an Indian citizen from Arunachal Pradesh who was passing through China and was stopped only because she was carrying an Indian passport and she was told that Arunachal is a part of China. So China has been doing such tricks time and again, and there's no surprise that yet another incident has come to light.
Right, Aditya. Talk to us more about how this Indian vlogger was only detained because he said that Arunachal Pradesh is part of India, and he rather expressed solidarity with an Arunachal Pradesh citizen earlier detained in China. Perhaps what does all of this tell you about the mindset in China at this point of time?
Well, the Chinese mindset will not change. They have an expansionist tendency, and since years together, they have been illegally trying to claim land, Indian legal territory and Indian sovereignty, be it parts of Arunachal Pradesh or around the line of actual control in Ladakh. And several other areas as well. So, of course, the Chinese have done so in the past and perhaps will do so again. But India has taken this issue very, very strictly time and again, and perhaps will do so again. There's this entire video that this blogger has put out in the Chinese immigration custody where, his digital devices like phone was taken away and he was left alone and isolated.
Yeah, and he also explains that he had studied in Northeast for 3 years and he feels deeply connected to the region. But thanks, Aditya, for getting us the latest on this story.